combination of brands from Baroda and Ahmedabad, and the best part, everything here is under 3K to 15K. So what are you waiting for? Definitely come down and visit, and for more collections, swipe.
Hello everyone, I'm Khushbu Shah. My brand name is Rang and we are from Vadodara. We come up with a lovely Navratri Chanya Choli collection.
Beautiful.
Modal.
Okay.
Something in white and red.
Okay.
Something differently made in kalamkari with
पूरा कलमकारी में है उनके पास. Very pretty.
right. Something in pastels for your night views.
Very pretty. Something in pastels.
Something in brighter shades.
If you're
like
looking
red
for
and
some
green and Navratri.
vibrant shades, absolutely. Colors of Navratri.
Yeah. Something in ajrak.
Look at that.
Trying something what we known for, mine and cotton.
So their signature cotton look. Very pretty.
And one more with something very nice patchwork.
This is brand Thread Sutra and they have come up with beautiful Navratri collection. Starting off with the blouses. These are all long blouses.
Long blouses with kachi and vintage.
With kachi and vintage work पूरा उनके
So
blouses में
they
है.
are with bandhani.
Okay. Something in bandage if you're looking for
This is
short
Mukla work.
blouses थोड़ा सा.
then kachi patch,
Okay.
then mirror work,
पूरा mirror work and multi color के साथ में है.
color.
Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful options of blouses. Very pretty. Okay.
We have lots of options in blouses.
Okay. They have lots
These
of
are
options.
lots of options in dupattas.
Dupattas. Okay.
These are all blouses. You can see. We have lots of options in ghagras.
Okay.
They are like this.
Alright. Very pretty.
Then we have something like this.
So this is brand Shrungi the label and they have brought beautiful Navratri and festive collection. Yes ma'am.
Hi. So we have this blouse and chanya with 17 meters flare.
Beautiful. Okay. Emma color
mirror work
options
as
છે
well.
with mirror work. Wow.
Yes.
Look at that. Very pretty.
Some options in double color.
Okay. Beautiful. Very pretty. Moving on to some festive collection. Look at that.
Festive.
Okay.
Some Kashmir mandate as well.
Okay. Very pretty. Lovely colors. Beautiful.
And there are options in blouses and dupattas also.
So blouses and dupatta na bhi options છે એમની પાસે. So this is brand Cardinals. Hello ma'am.
Hi, today we are showcasing festive as well as cottons.
Okay.
Starting from festives, we have something like this. We have designs in something what I am wearing also.
Okay.
With colors in that. We have a kurta set with handwork like this.
Beautiful.
We have some designs like this.
Okay.
We have added some new designs and new colors to our best sellers. These
Okay.
are one of them.
Beautiful. Very
Then we
pretty.
have our best seller piece, the collar and cuff handwork dress. It was sold out. We have got it back in stock. We have some new designs like this. We have some handwork dresses like this, which has patch on the sleeves.
Beautiful.
We have full embroidered kurta sets, something like this.
Okay.
Then we have again Marodi kurta sets, something like this. Sizes and colors are available.
Okay.
We have some bandhani kurta sets, something like this.
The brand is Ab and we have this printed Pichwai Potlis.
Perfect to go with your Navratri, festive, Diwali look. Beautiful. Moving on to some Navratri collection.
This can be used in marriage purposes also.
Okay.
This is from Navratri. You can buy it separately also.
Okay. So you can buy separately as well. And you can go for set options if you want to.
This is something in multicolor bandhani.
Beautiful. This is the trending chanya of this season.
This is a 2-layer chania
Very pretty.
with the bangani dupatta and toy blouse.
Okay, beautiful.
We have something in printed colors.
Okay, all right. Okay,
We have this always loved beautiful kaftan dresses
lovely.
with gamti patches.
Okay,
Something like what you are wearing. We
Yes.
have this color options.
beautiful. This is brand PB Jewels, and if you want something similar to what ma'am is wearing, then we will show you the entire collection. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is German silver earrings collection.
Okay,
Some Chand Bali gungrus.
okay,
Then this is our long pieces.
okay. Long માં બી એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધું ઓપ્શન છે.
These are the Hasleys. These are a one of a kind Hasleys.
Okay,
These are slick chokers, dual tone. We do have colors in this kind of necklaces.
okay,
જે teenage girls ને પણ સારું રહેશે. This is the slick choker.
okay.
Fusion માં pieces છે.
Fusion માં બી એમની પાસે options છે.
Some threads,
Thread work માં beautiful.
some bracelets,
કડા options very pretty.
silver look-alike,
Okay, look at that.
some Judas.
Very pretty.